Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to move subtask to another task. So first go to the project where you want to do this and open it up. Now, once you're in this project, as you can see, I have subtask in task 1 and I want to move it to task 2. So I will open up task 1, go where you have this subtask, and drag it by these dots. So drag and drop it right next to task 2. And as you can see, it is right here. Now I can close this and open up task 2 and just simply drag this subtask right next to subtask menu where I can see this line. I can release it. And now I have successfully moved it. So this is how you do it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.